in Begur. Heading to a beach that sounds like Azerbaijan. Aiguablava. That's the beach we're going to.
Aiguablava?
Yeah, something like that. Aiguablava.
200 meters, destination will be on the right.
Alright, we're here I think. This is the car park.
At the car park? While
For the
you are
beach.
in the car
Yeah.
park.
Sit up, Hugo.
Not a car park.
We're here. Wow, this is going to be good. I'm excited now. I think.
I'm not excited.
Alright, you stay in the car. I'm going swimming. You're not excited?
No.
Well, I am.
Me no.
No? Why are you not excited? I know you're just joking.
I'm not excited.
Right, you stay here. You're staying here, mate. I'm going.
There are jellyfish in the water.
Oh, damn. Lots, is there?
I don't know, that's how we got stung.
Really bad. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
it hurts a lot, but if you want to swim, take the risk. It's okay.
Okay.
Take the risk.
All right, we'll keep an eye. Thank you so much. Take the risk. Oh, there's jellyfish, boy. We've got to be careful. Wow.
That looks cool,
It looks lovely, huh? Wow. Boy.
but it looks like boats
We must be careful of jellyfish.
because I am worried if I get bit. Ow, ow.
Hugo, man, come on.
We're not gonna go on a jellyfish, you say? Smells good. I think I'm gonna.
Should we swim first? Unbelievable.
I can't believe that there's jellyfish.
Quick, take a picture of you with the sun behind you.
An unbelievably beautiful beach. Wow. We've been warned about jellyfish. Oh, it's a bit cold. It's a bit cold. I think if we just be careful, keep our eyes out, it'll be all right. Right, let's get our trunks on. Wow, I'm amazed. Definitely worth coming to. This is fantastic. What do you think? Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna let me, Mr.
Well.
Crack.
Let's get your proper stuff on.
Ow, that hurt.
What?
The stones, they're the worst.
Oh, it's actually cold.
Ooh. It's not good for me. I am so
Wow. Like people packing away. Oh! Wow, lightning. Oh. The timing. You're right. Fantastic.
lightning. Scary.
Let's get out. It's annoying timing. Hopefully it'll pass. I'll do a weather check. Hurry up. Hour away. We could go and get lunch. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Oh. Hour away. Hopefully it'll pass, but it's better to get out of the water while there's thunder. Whoa!
What do you want to record? Let me stay over the cup.
Yeah. You just stay under that one. Wow. Right, you just stay here a minute, I want to get a picture. Stay there.
Déjame una mesa. Está funcionando, amigo. Esa misma.
What are they doing now?
¿No?
Father.
Are you taking
What?
a picture?
Yes, yes, yes. What is going on now? Oh, okay. That's it. Muchas gracias. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh. What is going on there?
Cuidado, update. Update.
Oh, what is going on? Well, I don't know what's going on with the tables. What's he doing? Is he doing on defense?
He's making a cross for it cannot pass.
You're correct, I think. That was nuts. Oh, we're not swimming in that, it's full of sand. Experience, huh? Here you go. That was cool. I thought that was cool.
Me too. I find it's cool.
Ah, there. We're gonna get changed, dry, head to the hotel. We'll come to that beach again tomorrow.
And nothing else.
I love that beach. We're going tomorrow, yeah?